A specialized organization of the United Nations, the International Marine Organization, IMO, French, Organisation Maritime Internationale, formerly known as the Intergovernmental Maritime Consultative Organization until 1982, is in charge of establishing and enforcing maritime law and safety. The inaugural meeting of the IMO was held in 1959, 10 years after it was formally constituted after an agreement at a United Nations conference held in Geneva in 1948. Currently, 175 member states and 3 associate members make up IMO, which is headquartered in London, United Kingdom. Maritime safety, environmental issues, legal matters, technical cooperation, maritime security, and shipping efficiency are all within the remit of the International Maritime Organization, IMO, whose primary purpose is the creation and maintenance of a comprehensive regulatory framework for shipping. IMO is run by a membership assembly that gets together once every 2 years to discuss business. The Assembly's 40-person council is responsible for managing the body's funds and other administrative matters. There are 5 main committees that carry out IMO's business, each of which is backed up by a number of technical subcommittees. The IMO welcomes participation from other UN agencies as observers. Qualified non-governmental organizations may apply for observer status. A permanent secretariat comprised of personnel who are representative of the organization's members provides ongoing support for IMO. Divisions within the Secretariat include maritime safety, environmental protection, and a conference section, with the Secretary General being regularly chosen by the Assembly.